Hello everyone and welcome to the current affairs of 21st of March 2021. So let's get started with the first question. Which state has launched two schemes, which is CMAST and CMAT, for the welfare of sportspersons and artists of the state? The correct answer is Manipur. All right. Now, what does CMAST and CMAT stand for? They stand for Chief Ministers Akhanaba Sonoran Tengba and Chief Minister Gi Artiste Singing Tengba. Now, I might be pronouncing this incorrectly. I suggest you look up a little on this as well. But another thing that you can remember is the Chief Minister of Manipur is N. Biren Singh. Right. Next one. What is the rank of India in the Women on Board 2020 report released by myhiringclub.com and sarkarinokri.info? The correct answer in this case is 12. Alright. The global recruitment tendering platform myhiringclub.com and Sarkari Nokri Info has conducted a study which is titled Women on Board 2020. According to the study, India ranked 12th worldwide. Which company has become the first member of India's first gas trading platform, the Indian Gas Exchange? The correct answer is Manikaran Power Limited. Alright. Let's look at the next one. Which state has celebrated the 3 days long Kalanamak Rice Festival? The correct answer in this is Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has launched a 3-day long Kalanamak Rice Festival in Siddharth Nagar. What is the theme of International Day of Action for Rivers 2021? The theme is Rights of Rivers. Alright. So that's your correct answer. And this is also the 24th International Day of Action for Rivers. Okay. Alright. So this year was the 24th one. Which organization launched the Sahi Disha campaign that highlights the issues faced towards job accessibility by Indian rural women? Alright. Sahi Disha is something you can remember. The correct answer in this case is UNDP. What does UNDP stand for? It stands for United Nations Development Program. Alright, the campaign aims to highlight the issues that affect rural women's opportunity to access jobs, livelihood, and to establish enterprises to become self-reliant. The Yoga Commission, Yog Ayog, will be established in which state? The correct answer is Haryana. So, the Haryana Yoga Commission Yoga Ayog Bill 2021 has passed to establish the Haryana Yoga Commission for the promotion, management, regulation and training of yoga. Who has won the women's singles title at the 2020 All England Badminton Championship? The answer is Taiwan's Tai Tzu Ying. Alright, who beat Chinese world number 1 Shen Yufei to win the women's singles title at the All England Badminton Championship at Birmingham. How much amount has been pledged by India towards the COVID-19 emergency fund for SAARC nations, which is the SAARC nations, proposed by PM Narendra Modi? The correct answer in this case is 10 million. All right. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has pledged US $10 million to start an initiative to create a COVID-19 emergency fund for SAARC. Read up a little about SAARC, guys. Very important. The Arjuna Sahayak irrigation project will be launched in which state? The correct answer is that it will be launched in Uttar Pradesh. Alright. And it will be spread over 44,382 hectares. Who has been honored with the International Women of Courage 2021 award by US Consulate? The correct answer in this case is Kausalya Shankar. Alright. So she's a Tamil Nadu based anti caste activist, Kausalya Shankar, with the International Women of Courage Award she was honored with. The world's first ever flying car is going to be developed in which states of India? The correct answer is that it will be developed in Gujarat. Also, the world's first commercial flying car name is PAL and V. PALV Liberty. Alright. Achanta Sharat Kamal is an Indian player related to which of the following sports? The correct answer is table tennis. Alright. So, ace Indian table tennis player Achanta Sharat Kamal has won the 2020 ITTF Challenge Series plus Oman Open in Muscat. Who has become the highest player to score 770 runs in football history? The correct answer, of course, is Cristiano Ronaldo. He has scripted history by scoring 770 goals and becoming the top scorer by surpassing Pele. Right? Which team has won the domestic cricket tournament Vijay Hazare Trophy 2020-21? The correct answer in this case is Mumbai. Mumbai has won the tournament to take their fourth title, beating beating Uttar Pradesh by 6 wickets in the final of Vijay Hazare Trophy 2020-21. Who is the author of the biography on former Goa CM Manohar Parrikar titled An Extraordinary Life, a biography of Manohar Parrikar? The correct answer is a veteran journalist Sadhguru Patil and Maya Bhushan Nagvenkar. Right? So you can remember either of these names ideally and you might still be able to get the correct answer. The International Happiness Day is celebrated on which of the following dates? The correct answer is 20th of March. Next, who has claimed the men's single title of 2020 All England Badminton Championship? The correct answer is Denmark's Victor Axelsen. Fool Day is the annual traditional festival celebrated in which state marks the onset of the spring season? From the options, the correct one is the third one, which is Uttarakhand. The traditional Fool Day festival of Uttarakhand begins to mark the onset of the spring season. Then let's look at the last one. The Center for Advanced Radiation Shielding and Geopolymeric Material has been inaugurated in which of the following cities? The correct answer is Bhopal. Alright. So Vardhan has inaugurated the Center for Advanced Radiation Shielding and Geopolymeric Materials and Analytical High Resolution Transmission Electron Microscope Laboratory in Bhopal. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I will meet you guys tomorrow with some more questions.